French superstar Kylian Mbappé is making headlines again as Nike prepares to launch the Kylian Mbappé X Nike Air Max Plus VII PE, expected in spring 2026. Early leaks from trusted insiders reveal one of two colorways, dressed in Plum Eclipse, metallic gold grain, black, and barely volt, giving fans their first real glimpse of the collaboration. Special KM Air branding replaces the usual tuned Air logos on the tongue and footbed, highlighting Mbappe's personal stamp on the iconic silhouette. The Air Max Plus, known as the legendary TN in France, has been a staple in French street style for decades, making this partnership a natural fit for Mbappe's cultural and athletic influence. With Nike already rolling out several Air Max Plus VII colorways throughout 2025, the stage is set for his PE to drop smoothly and make major impact. As anticipation grows, sneaker fans worldwide are watching closely for the second official pair before the 2026 release.